Hello everyone. Welcome to the PDNob channel. Do you know how to use the English keyboard to type punctuation and diacritical marks? How to enter special characters faster if you type them often? Today this video will show you how to use special characters and accents in Windows 10. In Windows 10 shortcuts, press the Windows and period keys to bring up the special symbol bar. There are three major categories: emoji, K-emoji, and symbols. Select the last language symbol at the bottom. Most of the special language symbols are included here. Click on the corresponding symbol to output it to the text box. You don't want to hit the shortcut key every time. Then you can try PDNob Shortcuts. It allows the integration of shortcut buttons. You can complete the shortcut with just one click. Launch PDNob Shortcuts. Click the middle mouse button to bring up PDNob Shortcuts. PDNob Shortcuts comes with many shortcut functions that you can explore and discover. Now let's go to page 1 and click Add. Select Simulate Keystrokes. Click Add Keystroke Input box. Press the Windows key plus the period key once. When you have finished entering, click Save and enter the name. This way, the shortcut to the special symbol becomes a button. Click this button, and the special symbol bar will pop up. If you often use special characters, then it is recommended that you add the keyboard for the appropriate language. In the settings, select the time and language. Click on the language option. Click Add a language at the bottom. Select the language you need and click Next. Leave the language feature unchecked and click Install. OK, the corresponding language keyboard is installed. Right-click on the taskbar and click on the Show Touch Keyboard button. A keyboard icon will appear at the bottom. Right-click on it. Click on the Language button at the bottom right and select the corresponding language. Then you can use the corresponding language keyboard to enter special characters. That's all there is to enter special characters using Windows 10. Click the links in the descriptions below for more methods. If you think the video is still good, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. We will share more tips and solutions. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.